Hi friends, this video shows how to uninstall OpenClaw. So here I have OpenClaw setup. So let me test it. See, this is a working setup. So I am going to uninstall. So we need to run this command OpenClaw uninstall. So here we can select what we need to uninstall. So I am going to uninstall gateway service, then state plus config, then workspace. Okay, then press enter. Then select yes, proceed with uninstall. Done. So after that, let me check OpenClaw status. See, now it says sessions empty, channels empty. See, gateway systemd not installed. So this way we can uninstall OpenClaw. After that, let me try to run this onboard command. OpenClaw onboard. So here let me select yes. Quick start. Then here let me select open router. Then set open router API key. Let me enter open router API key here. Then here I need to select one model. Let me select this model, open router Google Gemini 2.5 flashlight preview. Set it, then select channel Telegram. So here I need to enter Telegram token. Let me enter Telegram token here. Enter. Select no. Let me skip this. Now it's installing gateway service again. See, it's installed. It's asking do you want to hatch your bot? So let me try terminal UI. Let me try to list all files under root directory. Run this prompt. See, it's working. So let me try from Telegram. So it says I need to pair again. So let me pair. Copy this. Then let me exit from this terminal UI. Then paste here. Then paste this pairing code. Done. Then let me again try to run this prompt. List all files under root directory. See, now it's working. So this way we can uninstall and reinstall. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.